In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Photoshop to ChatGPT. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click, what to look for, and how to finalize the connection without any guesswork. Start by opening ChatGPT on your desktop or browser. Look toward the bottom left corner of the interface, where you'll see your profile. Click your profile to open a small menu, and from that menu, select Settings. This is where all your account and app options live, so it's the right place to make the connection. Inside Settings, find and choose the section labeled Apps. This is your hub for discovering and managing integrations. Once you're in Apps, click Explore Apps. In some layouts, this might appear as Add More. Both options take you to the same place, the app directory that lists available connections. At the top of the directory, you'll see a search field. Click into the search bar and type Adobe Photoshop. Be precise with the name to get the correct result. When the Adobe Photoshop listing appears, select it to open its details page. Here, you'll typically find a short description of what the integration does and any notes from the developer. It's a good place to confirm you've got the official option you're looking for. Next, click Connect. This is the action that begins the link between ChatGPT and Photoshop. After you click Connect, simply follow any on-screen instructions that appear. Depending on your setup, you may be asked to confirm the connection, review permissions, or accept terms. Take a moment to read what you're agreeing to, then proceed through the prompts. If there are no additional prompts, the connection will complete automatically. When the process finishes, you should see a confirmation indicator, such as a status change from Connect to Connected. If the page provides a quick summary of what's now enabled, skim it so you know what to expect moving forward. If search doesn't return Adobe Photoshop right away, double-check your spelling and try again. Sometimes the directory wording can vary slightly, so make sure you're in the right section. That's all there is to it. You clicked your profile, opened Settings, went to Apps, explored the directory, searched for Adobe Photoshop, hit Connect, and followed any instructions provided. With that, your connection is complete, and you're ready to put it to use. Thanks for watching, and feel free to replay any part if you want to review a specific step.